Okay, so now that we have created a really cool graphic for this page, let's convert this agent's Instagram profile from a personal profile to a business profile. I'm going to show you exactly how easy this is, and you all really do need a business profile. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your page. You're going to click on settings right here. In the left-hand menu, you have an option that says Instagram. So now all we have to do is log into his Instagram to get started. Thankfully, this agent was kind enough to give us his login credentials. Obviously, I'm not going to share those login credentials with you, but what I'm going to do is log this agent in and be right back. So when you log in for the first time to your Instagram account from your Facebook page, Facebook makes it really easy. They actually help you set up your business profile. So all you have to do is when this little pop-up occurs right after you have this little fun tidbit of information, you simply click continue. Now you get to see insights, which means you get to know when the best time to post on Instagram is, which is super cool. So then you can even create promotions on Instagram direct from your Facebook page. Makes it super easy. So what it does is it automatically populates all of the data that you already have on your Facebook business page, which is great. And kapow, you are now a business profile on Instagram. How cool is that? So now you're an official business, and that's exactly how easy it is to create an Instagram business profile direct from your Facebook page. Hope you found that helpful. If you did, please give it a like. Appreciate it. Talk to you guys later.